Welcome to Quizmasters TV. Get ready to test your knowledge and have a blast with our mind-bending quizzes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for new quiz adventures. Let's begin. Would you rather understand animal language or understand plant language? Always know when someone is lying or always know when someone is telling the truth? Live without internet or live without air conditioning or heating? Ability to read minds or ability to control dreams? Speak every language fluently or communicate with ghosts? Never feel fear or never feel sadness? Would you rather teleport instantly or fly? Would you rather manipulate probability or manipulate gravity? Always find parking or always have perfect weather? Breathe underwater or breathe in space? Would you rather control fire or control lightning? Would you rather have the ability to talk to animals or ability to talk to machines? Ability to turn invisible or ability to freeze time? Have a perfect memory or have a perfect hearing? Would you always wake up early or never need to sleep? Always have bad breath or always have bad body odor? Would you rather prefer invisibility or invincibility? Ability to control dreams or ability to control nightmares? Speak every language fluently or understand every code and symbol? Always have a song stuck in your head or always have an itch you can't scratch? What would you choose? Never age or never feel physical pain? Always be able to find your lost items or always be able to find parking? Ability to manipulate time or ability to manipulate luck? How about this one? What would you choose? A world without music, a world without colors? Stop time or rewind time? Be slightly too cold or be slightly too hot? Always have wet socks or always have sticky fingers? Ability to control weather or ability to control emotions? What would you choose? Always have perfect hair or always have perfect teeth? Would you rather have the ability to see through walls or ability to walk through walls? Never have to wait in line again or never have to wait for anything? Always know the right thing to say or always know the right thing to do? Ability to change your appearance at will or ability to change your age at will? Live without music or live without books? Thanks for watching.